Welcome to Virginia This Morning. I'm Jessica Nall. We kick things off with a musical soundtrack courtesy of our first guests. You can enjoy their signature silky tunes all over Richmond, including this Thursday night for a free concert inside the Jazz Cafe at the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts. It's time for you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the sounds of the Lawrence Olds Band. Right now, take it away, guys.
Thank you. Lonesome, just a lonesome time. Said it's lonesome, just a lonesome time. Every girl I know trying to drive me wild. I love my baby, I had to leave her behind. I love my baby, I had to leave her behind. Another man, it's just a lonesome time. I love my baby, I had to leave her behind, yeah. I love my baby, I had to leave her behind, yeah. She's with another man, it's just a lonesome time. Toy. Listen, baby, don't try to use me as your toy. Yeah, all the things I've been mistreated, I'm just a lonesome boy. Yeah, said I'm lonesome and I'm dangerous. Been mistreated, I can't take no more. Yeah, 'cause I'm lonesome, just a lonesome boy.
That's Lawrence Olds, Chris Whiteman, Charlie Kilpatrick, Carter Blau, and Todd Woodson. They are the Lawrence Olds Band. Guess what? You guys aren't going to be too lonesome on Thursday night. You can catch them live for a free concert inside the Jazz Cafe at the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts on Thursday, June 25th from 6 to 9 p.m. And you can enjoy their music every Saturday night from 6:30 to 9:30 at the Hard Shell at Belgrade on West Huguenot Road in Midlothian. And if you want to take this show on the road, you can pick up their CD, the Lawrence Olds Band. It's called Shades of Blue. Keeping it cool.